If I am in so much clothes and you don't want them to see me like this, then how is it we go to the beach and to the pool?
That's different.
How is different?
Underwear is different.
I'm almost naked. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We are heading to the beach. That's what today's vlog is about, the beach. The entire fam bam is packed up. I wanted to go from early this morning, but I had other things to do, so I decided to let it stay until Sarah took her afternoon nap. So afternoon nap is done. And I packed my ish, and now we're heading to the beach. The entire crew. Tyler, go please. So we are already at the beach. We were just a few meters away. And I'm sure it's full, so we are gonna have to find a very good spot to land, to catch. So that's the beach right now at this end, so we're gonna keep walking to find a spot. The thing is, there are spots, you know, as you guys can see all the way back here, there are spots. But close to the water, not so much. Close to the water is full. And as far as my eyes can see, it's full. So we're gonna have to catch at the back. We're gonna have to catch at the back. But let's keep walking. Up there look more empty-ish. So yeah, it's the first beach day of the summer for us. First beach day. First beach day for the summertime.
Yes.
Yes.
For my first time, even for the other years.
For about 2 years now is the first we went to the beach. But a lot of people is out. A lot of people out. But I've been longing to go into the beach. I wanted to go to the beach last week, but when I think about me going to the beach alone with these two, honey child, that's not an easy task. Not an easy task at all. So okay, I think I see somewhere where we can land. So let's go enjoy the rest of the beautiful Sunday afternoon, shall we? Dale, don't realize you leave your fruit.
Look who is here. We have a visitor today, so they're here on the side of the beach having their best life.
So you guys, beach date is done. If you're in Nice and you don't go to Nice Beach, you didn't come to Nice. So something to do when you're in Nice, make sure you go to the beach. So we have a good afternoon at the beach. Sarah had fun for sure. Babe didn't grace the water because him turned tourist. But dryland tourist. Dryland tourist. He says the captain. He was the, what they call the person who watch over the people in the beach. Was the lifeguard. Was watching to see if any of us gonna drown. But the water is cold, which is surprising. I was expecting it to be more warm than that. It was chilly. But we found a good spot where there wasn't a lot of people, so that was good. You had fun, Ty? Don't shake your head.
Yes.
Awesome. And Jen stopped by because where we were, Jen lived just beside. There was in the area and she stopped by, but now we're walking to her house because she has something that I need to get from her. So we're heading to Jen right now, and then we're gonna head home and figure out dinner because it's way past dinner time. No, not barbecue today at all.
What?
I don't think so.
What?
It's too late. Anyway, you guys, we are heading home. Lapa. I didn't buy any lapa. I told you I'll buy it the next time. I don't have any escalope. As you guys can see, the beach is emptying out because the sun has died down. There's not much people out. This is a beach restaurant. Buff Bourguignon take too long to cook. So no.
Croque monsieur?
No. That's what you want, croque monsieur?
Yes, I want
Okay, our pizza. It's something that can do fast. Nice Beach. All along the stretch of beach, you have these little beach restaurants. So if you don't want to go to the public section, you can go to the private section here where you can eat and have your comfort, not too much people. But normally, if you book your spot, it will be easier, but you can walk in if they have space. So you'll find a lot of these along the Promenade des Anglais, the most famous street in Nice. The prom. La prom.
Poste de sécurité. Poste de sécurité.
Hey, don't mind me.
We gonna finish right now.
These two play memory game.
I don't like this game.
Who win? Let's see who wins.
3, 4, 10. One, 2, 4, 5, 3,
Tyler gonna beat you.
7, 8, 2.
How much you have? 7 or 6? Tyler win.
You need to take it when Tyler don't win.
These two belong together. Tyler and Jen, they're noisy alike. Watch them.
Wait a minute, I haven't finished. I got 2.
Ils ont 700 000
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
qui partent par... ouais, pas non, l'Angleterre, c'est 600 000 €.
Booga, booga.
Mais c'est pas...
You cheated.
Oh my god. These two are hilarious.
Montrez là le...
Oh
Stop.
no.
I don't remember. Where is it? Show me. Show me. Look at it. Look at it.
Ah ouais? Et là, il y avait une qui gagnait son compte. Tous les mois, il touchait 1,5 million net qui tombait sur le salaire. 1,5 million. C'est ça, le million, c'est pas...
I thought you meant
Your Tyler's a mess.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Got it. That's right, Sarah. Hedgehog. Go.
Sarah watching her tablet. We're back home. We're having some very busy days these days. And busy days mean we're having some unplanned dinner. And since we've been out all afternoon and I did not cook before I leave, listen, if you what's the saying? If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. And I'm failing these days, but it's okay. It's okay to just live a little, just do whatever it is as the time comes. And today we're having a very unhealthy dinner, but that's okay. We're living a little, okay? We're having pizza. Yes, it's Sunday, but we're having pizza since the girl didn't cook. And I got back home at 9 p.m. and Jen fed us salad and some quiche. I didn't have the quiche, but I had the salad because Sarah ate the quiche. So Sarah had dinner at Jen and he's gone to bed. But of course that small quiche wouldn't fill me up. It was just a top up. So Ty is still hungry, and of course Babe and I still hungry. So we are gonna have this pizza. So that's what's up right now, Shadi. But beach was fun. We had such a good time out. It was good. We hung out with Jen after that. And now it's pizza, and then I'm gonna send Tyler right to bed. Ready for your pizza?
Yes, but Mama, in case you're going to sort out my things.
No, I'm gonna sort it out tomorrow.
Okay,
So you and I can do it together.
And we can, and I have the fridge was empty. That is ready.
Okay, so good. We can do that tomorrow, okay? Alright guys, let's go and enjoy some pizza. Oh, say, can you see?
Why are you showing me like this?
Like what?
Like this, that's private. Now just to show this.
By the dawn early light, what's a friendly wind here? If I am in so much clothes and you don't want them to see me like this, then how is it we go to the beach and to the pool?
That's different.
How is different?
Underwear is different.
I'm almost naked.
At the beach?
Mhm.
Yeah, but that's a swimsuit.
So?
It's different.
So? What is this? It's a shorts.
It's underwear.
It's a shorts.
It's a short underwear.
No, it's a shorts. I have on underwear different from the shorts. It's a What is wrong with you? Babe, stop.
What is wrong with you?
You know we slap him? I'm going to tell you why he said it's underwear. Because the shorts that I'm wearing, it used to be his underwear when he was skinny. when he was a stick in 2010. It's been what, 20 years? since
11
that?
too.
How long now? 10 years, 11 years.
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
You make
And
me
I
fat.
take it because I turn it into a shorts. Why not? Which wife don't turn their husband underwear into shorts? Tell me if you don't do that. I think every wife does that. And turn their husband shirts into dresses. Every wife does that. You turn your t-shirts into dresses and your underwears into shorts.
And you're shorty.
Cause I'm a shorty, yeah. Honey, they're waiting on you to end the vlog.
No, but
And
the last
everybody
time.
know you want to sleep.
Yeah, because what time it is?
Cause I don't know why you have so
It's
much cushion over me.
after midnight.
And he's gonna
After
blame me now that is me.
midnight. Anyway, guys, that was a good day. Today was a good day. That was a good thing to go out because I have so much fun. I watched them at the beach. I just
You hear what he had fun doing watching us?
Yeah, of course.
This little chicken didn't even come in the water. Not even
It
touch
was
the water.
Called like, what you mean? I touch it.
Chicken.
I touch it. It was cold. But no, I just didn't feel. You know, sometimes you just don't feel. So you need not to force people. You always tell me that not to force people to do something that they don't want to do.
That is true.
So yeah, I didn't feel to go in the water today. I was fine in the back. So yeah, that was a good day. I enjoyed, went outside.
And a tourist with his fine self.
And we ended up at Jen's house. It's always a pleasure to see
Ended
her.
up at Jen's house and Jen gave us dinner snack.
Always a pleasure to see her. So
And of course you guys know Jen and Tyler make the most noise.
oh, Tyler is noisy, but Jen, she could have been our mother, our grandmother, or she could have been related to him. You believe that they have the same gene. They have the loud gene. I don't know which one is it, but they have it, and they have it to the highest. Oh, I don't think there's somebody in this world that is loudest than these two, especially these two together.
Jen and Tyler will explode your eardrum.
Oh,
Literally
together.
explode your eardrum. Tyler
And
loud.
once they see each other,
Oh, my.
Tyler! I'm coming!
And he's like, Auntie Jen!
Then they have played dominoes and him put on it. What? How did you play that? And you hear me silently just like just like this. Hey guys, the windows is open. They no care.
Oh my god, it's a joy to be around Jen. A joy to be around Jennifer Bravo.
Hi, but everything's at the end now. It's time to go to bed. It's after midnight. Somebody have to wake up very early tomorrow to go to work. Hopefully, I can make it. Sometimes I don't.
Yes.
Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I reach late.
Like, it's Friday. Friday, this man leave home about 8:30, almost 9 o'clock. I'm like, where does he think he's going at this time of the day?
Yeah, but you know, after I catch back in the evening, I stay.
Yeah, the
very
punishment
late.
is
Sometimes I stay
coming
at
on late.
7, 8 p.m. So by the end of the day, the work is done. So yeah, but it's really that I don't make it on time. So tomorrow I make it on time. That's how you need to do to go in new spirit, new week, new spirit.
You're working from home Tuesday?
No,
Why not?
no.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I know you did. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan band, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.